Okay, sorry, I needed to delete some videos I was following. So I have deleted now, and this is on there. Yeah, let's drive. But I'm safe, I know. The holes I say at the start, this can be like dangerous, but I'm not that scared. And yeah, I need to tell you what you can win in the giveaway. On Snapchat, you have like snap score, and I can give you, if you win, I can give you 500,000, and you just need to say which one you want. And if I say it's token, it's take, then you need to take another one. I can show you. I have been giveawaying that on my TikTok channel. Oh, freak that! I think that was not good, although yeah. Okay, we're going over the road now. So you see that little thing? I need to go over that. Can't do the jump. It's too high. Now it's not high, but I can't do it right here. Okay, don't be scared. I look. But I can do like many type of jumps. That's just it's yeah, you can see it's a little road, and I need to stay safe. I only have my helmet on, not my protection, but I have my phone if I need to call yeah, other people who need to help me. But I don't need that. I'm safe. Promise. Okay, it's not long till I need to stop the video. So if you found the Range Rover, I'll give you my Snapchat right now. But make sure to watch this on another thing like PC. Or if you have two phones, you can take your mom's phone and use that for take a picture. And yeah, so I'm almost there where I'm going to show. So I'm gonna stop holding the brake inside. Should I do a little jump or something? Okay, we're doing the little jump. Ooh. Okay, here we are. I'm gonna show. No, I'm not gonna do that, okay? You're filming it, right? Yeah, see, take a picture on that, this one, and so you have me. I'm the first one that is going to come. Pause the video, and so you can take it on again. Okay, that was all. Hope you have a good day. Goodbye.